Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and we'll just get to it. So today again ballerina faces, and this time it was females. So all three were actually 3 minutes. I have reduced my time, and I think that's partly because of less lines and I know what I'm doing now, so I can actually see shapes within shapes, if that makes sense. So 1 and 2 I utilised geometric and observational methods. Number 3 was geometric and gestural. So you might see a slight bit of a difference between the three sketches. Good layout and proportions for all. I believe number 3 is the closest to the actual reference photo, and I'm really happy with the outcome and overall results, and I'm getting more and more improvements as the days are going on, and I think this is maybe the 70th sketch I've done, I believe, but I might be wrong. Wouldn't be the first time. So let me know what you think. If you are utilising any of these methods, please let me know. I would be utterly delighted if you are. And to all the subscribers, I really do appreciate you all, and I shall see you next time. Bye!